Hey guys, this is Abhinav, and today we are talking about a new issue which is MSA Keeps Stopping. This is a particular issue on Xiaomi phones. As you can see on my screen, it says MSA Keeps Stopping, and nothing is working. It's almost like the application is frozen. So there's nothing going on, I cannot do anything. So, what is the solution to this problem? The query is very simple. So, we'll cancel, we'll keep going out. So, you have to go to the settings part first. This goes to the settings, right? After settings, you have to go to the apps. This is the apps. Now click on manage apps. Right, here we come. And you have to show all, otherwise it will be something like this, right? A default setting. So you have to show all apps. Search MSA. Here it goes, right? So we will uninstall the updates. Number 1, uninstalled successfully. Then we'll clear the data, clear all data. Then we'll again press the clear the data. And let us check if the MSA option is still hanging or is it working, right? So now we'll open up the Facebook and we'll try to check again if the phone comes in freezing mode. So this is the Facebook option. Now it is working, as you can see, right? So this was Abhinav, a small tip and trick on MSA not working. If your phone keeps freezing, so this is the option how to resolve it. See, it's working very much perfectly fine, right? There it goes. So this is how we resolve the issue. So if you like this video, do share it with your friends. Press the bell icon below for getting the subscription and notifications for my latest updates. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video on your social networks. It might be of some help to others. The topic for today's video was again MSA not working, particularly happening in Xiaomi phones after the Google update. And as soon as Google comes up with an answer about the updated information, they are already known about it. So this problem will be resolved. This is Abhinav signing off. Thank you.